Hey everyone, this is Seth, your Detail Doc. I want to make this video explaining what ceramic coatings are. Ceramic coatings are long-term protection products for your vehicle. They keep the vehicle looking newer for longer. The vehicle stays cleaner for longer. Maintenance is extremely easy. Washing a ceramic coating is a breeze. You don't have to use wax or sealants, none of that stuff. Ceramic coatings last for years, sealants last for months, and waxes last for a few weeks. That's how it breaks down to. Ceramic coatings actually create a hardened, thicker layer of protection on top of the clear coat. I'm going to show you guys how one is applied. This is Crystal Serum Ultra. For all intents and purposes, it's essentially a permanent ceramic coating. It bonds permanently to the paint surface, and it essentially becomes a functional part of the paint system. You're actually getting a measurable layer of thickness of the coating protecting your paint, so that can help protect against UV rays, bug etchings. There's a level of scratch resistance in there too, because the ceramic coating is a 10H hardness. This coating, the Crystal Serum Ultra, is a 10H hardness, and that's much harder than traditional clear coat. So that's going to give you wash marring resistance, so the paint's not going to swirl up as easily. There's no coating that can be scratch proof. There's no scratch proof coating. If you're talking to a detailer and they're trying to sell you that it's scratch proof, fireproof, and you can like burn it, no, you want to turn away as soon as you can, because ceramic coatings are not the end all be all. They're a great product, but they're not they're not bulletproof, they're not scratch proof. So I'm going to show you guys how a ceramic coating is applied. It's applied by hand with one of these applicators. We have a little pipette here. This is our Crystal Serum Ultra by G-Technic. It is a 9-year guaranteed ceramic coating. Just do one pipette full on this little applicator pad. And I have multiple towels on this little cart here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to do this small section. This fender here. So, here's some tire fender. The crosshatch. Just like that. And this is my first towel. And I have 3 towels for this. The reason I have 3 towels is in the first towel, we're really just moving the coating around, we're pushing it around. Then the second and third towel is actually relieving the mirror finish. We do that because if we were to leave this, it would high spot. High spots are where the coating cures unevenly. So there's the coating residue that's left on the paint because you didn't wipe it off or level it off properly. And what that can cause is permanent damage. Crystal Serum Ultra, you would have to wet sand the high spots off. This is a pretty serious, it's a really serious ceramic coating. If you were to leave a high spot, if you leave it unattended to and you didn't pay attention to it, you would have to essentially wet sand it off in the future. You're just gonna level it off. Like I said, this first towel, we're just pushing it around. There's different methods to this. Some people can do it with 1 towel, I've seen. Some people use 3, some people use 4. Whatever process you want to follow. Thoroughly wiping it. And these are brand new towels too. You don't want to use used towels. So this is towel number 2. And now I'm wiping on adjacent panels too, like the hood here. I'm wiping against there too. Then this is towel number 3. It's the insurance towel. Just make sure absolutely everything. Going to adjacent panels. Super diligent about these areas. Ornaments. Just like that. So that panel is ceramic coated. After this, we're going to add our hydrophobic top coat of the XOV4. That's just going to be better water spotting resistance, even more self-cleaning abilities. But I thought I'd just show you guys, what a ceramic coating looks like, how we apply it, things like that. It comes in these little glass bottles just like this. Some people call it gold in a bottle because they're so expensive. This little 30 milliliter bottle, a little bit over $100 just for this little bottle. And then we did our full wash, decontamination, paint correction before this, so there's a lot of hours that go into this. And then we finally put the ceramic coating on. So just to reiterate, the ceramic coatings are going to make the vehicle stay cleaner for longer. The vehicle is going to have a measurable layer of protection on there to protect against UV rays, bug etching, some scratch resistance in there too. But mainly it's protection for your investment. You're spending a lot of money on your vehicle, and we're making maintaining it a lot easier for you guys, and protecting it a lot easier for you guys, so you're not having to go constantly wax it just to keep it looking good. I hope you guys found this video helpful, answered some of your guys' questions. If you guys have anything for me, any questions, concerns for me, make sure to contact me. You can visit my website, www.thedetaildoc.co. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below too. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys. Have a great day.